In this video, we have discussed about the Class A power amplifier. Class A power amplifiers, on completion, students will be able to explain why Class A power amplifier is necessary. Draw the circuit diagram for Class A power amplifier. Explain the working for Class A power amplifier. Fourth one, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the Class A power amplifier? Fifth one, explain the applications of Class A power amplifier. So Class A power amplifier directly coupled. So in this Q1 is a power transistor. In the Class A amplifier are further classified as a directly coupled and transformer coupled amplifier. So in this directly coupled type, the load is directly connected in the collector circuit, while the transistor coupled type, the load is coupled to the collector using the transformer called output transformer. So series feed directly coupled Class A amplifier, a simple fixed bias circuit, can be used as a large signal Class A amplifier. The difference between small signal version of the circuit is that a signals handled by the large signal circuit are of the order of few volts. Similarly, the transistor used is a power transistor. The value of the RB is selected in such a way that of Q point lies in the center of the DC load line. The circuit represents the directly coupled Class A amplifier, as a load resistance is directly connected to the collector circuit. Most of the times the load is a loudspeaker, the impedance of which varies from 3 to 4 ohms to the 16 ohms. The beta of the transistor used is less than 100. So advantages of the Class A amplifier is simple to design, less number of components required, but the drawbacks: power dissipation is more, poor efficiency, output impedance is high. In the series with Class A amplifier, analysis is so IB is a base current. So IB equal to VCC minus VBE divided by RB. Similarly, VCE equal to VCC minus ICRL. So DC power equal to VCC into ICQ. AC power equal to VRMS into IRMS, so I squared RMS into RL. Efficiency eta equal to output power DC power divided by AC power into 100. We have got this maximum efficiency 25%. Here the equation is similar, and the equation thus the slope of this load line is a minus 1 by RL, while Y intercept is a VCC divided by RL. The change is because the collector resistance RC is named as load resistance RL in the circuit. The Q point is adjusted approximately at the center of the load line. So DC operation. So the collector supply voltage VCC and resistance RB decides DC breaks current IBQ. So IBQ equal to VCC minus 0.7 divided by RB. The corresponding collector current is then IC equal to beta into IB. Here VCE equal to VCC minus ICQ into RL. So DC power input equal to PDC equal to VCC into ICQ. AC operation: when a AC input signal is applied to the base current varies sinusoidally. Assume the non-linear distortion is absent, the nature of the collector current and the collector emitter voltage vary sinusoidally, as shown graphically in the figure. The output current is collector current varies around the quiescent point, while the output voltage is, that is a collector emitter voltage, varies around the Q point value. The varying output voltage and the output current deliver an AC power to the load. Let us find the expression for the AC power delivered to the load is a Vm equal to Vmax minus Vminimum divided by 2. Similarly, Im equal to Imax minus Iminimum divided by 2. Therefore, Vrms into Irms. So Vrms equal to Irms into RL. So using RMS value, AC power will equal to Vrms square divided by RL. So PAC equal to, using peak value, Im squared into RL divided by 2. Therefore, Vm squared divided by 2 RL. So AC power equal to Vmax minus Vminimum into Imax minus Iminimum divided by 8. So the efficiency of the conversion efficiency of the amplifier means Vmax minus Vminimum into Imax minus Iminimum divided by 8 VCC into ICQ into 100 is a conversion of the efficiency. So maximum efficiency. Second one, transformer coupled class A power amplifier. In the transformer coupled class A amplifier circuit shown in the figure, here it eliminates the impedance matching problem. The loudspeaker connected in the secondary of the output transformer. The loudspeaker acts as a load. Here, this is because the loudspeaker resistance in the range of 3 to 4 ohms. Here, while the output impedance of the series feed directly coupled class A amplifier is very much high, this problem is eliminated by using transformers to deliver the power to the load. So reflected impedance RL dash equal to V1 by I1 equal to RL by N square. So collector current ICQ equal to beta into IBQ. So beta into VCC minus VBE divided by RB. So DC power equal to VCC minus ICQ. AC power equal to VRMS into IRMS. I squared RMS into RL dash. So efficiency equal to DC power divided by AC power 100. So maximum efficiency we have obtained the 50%. So advantages are the high efficiency compared to the direct coupling. So but drawbacks is that circuit size is large, complicated circuit design, poor frequency response. So class A amplifier, so this is a model of the class A amplifier. So class A amplifier is a model. This model we have used as a class A amplifier. Then quiz questions of the class A amplifier. State the condition for maximum efficiency for class A directly coupled power amplifier and state the value of maximum efficiency. The condition for maximum efficiency is Vmax equal to VCC and Vminimum equal to 0. Imax equal to 2 ICQ and Iminimum equal to 0 for maximum swing. The maximum efficiency possible in case of directly coupled series feed class A amplifier is just 25%. Second quiz question. Why transformer is necessary for connecting load to the power transformers? For maximum power transfer to the load, the impedance matching is necessary. For loads like loudspeaker having low impedance values, the impedance matching is difficult to using directly coupled amplifier circuit. This is because loudspeaker resistance is in a range of 3 to 4 ohms to 16 ohms, while the output impedance of series feed directly coupled class A amplifier is very much high. This problem can be eliminated by using transformer to deliver maximum power to the load. Thank you.